I'm here with some frozen chicken nuggets and my Dash compact air fryer. Let's see how well the chicken nuggets cook up in this compact air fryer. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Last month I got a big bag of frozen chicken nuggets on sale at Aldi. They were only $1.49, so I could not pass up that deal. And I've never cooked frozen chicken nuggets in a Dash compact air fryer before, so I thought we'd give it a try and see how they come out. I have 4 of the frozen chicken nuggets, and I have some parchment paper in my compact air fryer, and I'm just gonna put the frozen nuggets on the parchment paper. Everything I cook in this air fryer, I cook on this parchment paper, and it usually comes out well, so I'm assuming these should come out pretty well also. And the instructions on the bag say to cook this for about 8 minutes at 360 degrees. I have it set a little bit lower than 375, and I'm going to turn it to about 9 minutes because I didn't preheat this or anything. Okay, the timer's up. It's been about 9 minutes. Let's see what's going on in here. This is what the chicken nuggets look like. Let's take their temperature. All right, we're at 165. That's good. Here they are with some honey mustard that I just made. The first thing that I realized is that these probably should have been flipped about halfway through, maybe at the 4 or 5 minute mark, because it feels like the top is going to be crispier than the bottom, which is softer. But let's give these a taste. They definitely came out better in the air fryer than they did in the Dash Mini Griddle. They're a little bit crispier, and they are edible. To be honest, I think I'm just not a fan of this brand of chicken nuggets. The coating still seems kind of gritty, and I want to say it kind of seems like it's raw, but it's not. It's totally cooked. They're also really bland, but I'm sure these are made and marketed for kids, so anyway, I am happy with how these came out in the air fryer. They're quick and easy to cook. It only took about 8 or 9 minutes. They came out well. They are definitely crispier and crunchier in the air fryer than they were in the Dash Mini Griddle. And so if I had a choice between cooking these in a Dash Mini Griddle or an air fryer, I would definitely choose the air fryer. So I'm happy these came out great and these were a success. And so that's how easy it is to cook up some frozen chicken nuggets in a Dash compact air fryer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we could cook in this Dash compact air fryer. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.